Your living room is the heart of your home. It's where you relax after a long day. It's where you gather with loved ones. And at the center of it all sits your sofa. A clean and inviting sofa transforms your living room. It welcomes you with open arms. It sets the tone for relaxation and joy. A sparkling clean sofa is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It speaks volumes about your commitment to a clean and healthy home. When you sink into a fresh and clean sofa, you can truly unwind and enjoy your space. So let's dive into the how-tos of achieving that perfectly clean sofa. Why is regular sofa cleaning so important? It's a question many of us might overlook in our busy lives, but the answer is crucial for maintaining a healthy and pleasant home environment. Let's explore 3 key reasons: hygiene, lifespan, and appearance. These factors not only affect the sofa itself, but also the overall quality of life in your home. First, hygiene. Your sofa is a magnet for dust mites, pet dander, and allergens. These tiny invaders can cause a range of health issues, from minor irritations to serious allergic reactions. Regular cleaning eliminates these unwanted guests. By vacuuming and using appropriate cleaning agents, you can significantly reduce the presence of these harmful particles. This leads to a healthier environment for you and your family, especially those with allergies. Imagine the relief of sitting on a clean sofa without worrying about sneezing or itching. Second, consider your sofa's lifespan. Dirt and grime act like sandpaper on your sofa's fabric. Over time, this abrasive action can wear down the material, making it look old and tired. Regular cleaning removes these abrasive particles. By keeping your sofa clean, you prevent this gradual wear and tear, ensuring it stays in good condition for longer. This helps preserve the fabric and extends the life of your beloved sofa. A well-maintained sofa can serve you and your family for many years, providing comfort and style. Third, appearance matters. A clean sofa instantly elevates the look and feel of your entire living room. It becomes a focal point that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. It creates a sense of freshness and order. A tidy living room with a clean sofa invites relaxation and enjoyment, making your home a more pleasant place to be. Before we begin, let's gather our cleaning supplies. Don't worry, you won't need any harsh chemicals. We'll be using simple household items for a gentle yet effective clean. Here's what you'll need. 1. Your vacuum cleaner with upholstery attachment. 2. 2 microfiber cloths. 3. White vinegar. 4. Baking soda. 5. A spray bottle. 6. Warm water. Optional. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the mix. This will leave your sofa smelling fresh and inviting. Lavender and lemon are always great choices. Section 4. Your step-by-step sofa cleaning guide. Cleaning your sofa might seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps, it can be a breeze. Whether you have unexpected guests coming over or just want to freshen up your living space, this guide will help you achieve a spotless sofa in no time. Now let's get down to business. Roll up your sleeves and put on your cleaning gloves, because we're about to transform your sofa. Follow these simple steps for a sparkling clean sofa. Step 1. Vacuum power. This is the foundation of a clean sofa. Thoroughly vacuum your sofa using the upholstery attachment. Make sure to cover every inch of the surface. Pay close attention to crevices and underneath the cushions. These areas tend to accumulate the most dirt and debris. This will remove loose dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. You'll be surprised at how much cleaner your sofa looks already. Step 2. The magic mix. This homemade solution is both effective and eco-friendly. Fill your spray bottle with a solution of equal parts water and white vinegar. This combination works wonders on stains and odors. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake well to combine. The baking soda helps to lift dirt and neutralize odors. Step 3. Spot test time. This is a crucial step to ensure your sofa's fabric remains intact. Before spraying your entire sofa, do a spot test on a hidden area. This will help you avoid any potential damage or discoloration. This ensures that the solution doesn't discolor the fabric. Wait a few minutes and check for any changes. Step 4. Mist and wipe. This step will help you clean the surface without soaking it. Lightly mist your sofa with the cleaning solution. Don't soak the fabric. A light mist is all you need. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the entire surface. This will help lift any remaining dirt and leave your sofa looking fresh. Step 5. Air dry delight. This final step ensures that your sofa is completely dry before you use it again. Allow your sofa to air dry completely before using it again. This prevents any mold or mildew from forming. Open windows for better ventilation. Fresh air will help speed up the drying process and leave your room smelling fresh. Section 5. Keeping your sofa sparkling clean. A clean sofa not only enhances the beauty of your living space but also ensures a healthier environment for you and your family. Congratulations on your sparkling clean sofa. But the journey doesn't end here. Maintaining that pristine look requires some consistent effort. Now let's discuss some maintenance tips to keep it looking its best. 1. Vacuum regularly. This is the first and most crucial step in sofa maintenance. Vacuum your sofa at least once a week to prevent dirt and crumbs from settling deep into the fabric. Use the appropriate attachments to reach every nook and cranny. 2. Address spills immediately. Blot spills immediately with a clean cloth to prevent staining. Quick action can make a huge difference in maintaining the fabric's appearance. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain and damage the fabric. 3. Flip and fluff. Flip and fluff your cushions regularly to ensure even wear and tear. This simple act can prolong the life of your cushions. This also helps maintain their shape and keeps them looking fresh and inviting. 4. Sunshine is your friend. Natural sunlight can do wonders for your sofa. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant. It helps in killing bacteria and mites that might be lurking in the fabric. Allow your sofa to bask in the sun for a few hours every month to kill bacteria and freshen the fabric. This simple step can make a big difference in maintaining a clean and healthy sofa. Section 6. Easy on the wallet, gentle on your sofa. One of the best things about this cleaning method is its cost-effectiveness. You're using simple household items, saving you money on expensive cleaning products. White vinegar and baking soda are not only budget-friendly, but also gentle on your sofa's fabric. They effectively remove dirt and odors without harsh chemicals. This is especially important for families with young children or pets. Section 7. Ready, set, clean. A clean and inviting sofa sets the stage for a happy and relaxing home. By following these simple steps, you can easily achieve a sparkling clean sofa using everyday household items. Remember, regular cleaning not only enhances your sofa's appearance, but also promotes a healthier living environment. So, gather your cleaning supplies and give your sofa the spa treatment it deserves. Share your cleaning journey and before and after photos on social media. Let's inspire each other to create clean and joyful homes.